database administrator. Centralized control of the database is exerted by a person or group of persons. They are referred to as database administrator, DBA. DBA takes initiative to resolve problems and ensures that the application is running well with respect to the database. Thus, the DBA is responsible for overall control of the system at the technical level. Role of database administrator. Some of the tasks of DBA are defining the conceptual schema, defining the internal schema, liaising with users, defining security and integrity constraints, defining dump or restore schemas, monitoring performance of database, defining the conceptual schema. It is the DBA's job to decide exactly what information is to be held in the database. In other words, to identify the entities of interest to the enterprise and to identify the information to be recorded about those entities. Defining the internal schema. The DBA must also decide how the data is to be represented in the stored database. This process is referred to as physical database design. Steps to be followed while defining internal schema. Initially, decide the requirement of user, that is, what data user want first. Secondly, decide how to represent it in storage. Liaising with users. It is the main task of DBA to liaise with users to ensure the availability of that data and also to write the necessary schemas for that data. In addition, the mapping between external schema and conceptual schema should be specified by DBA. Defining security and integrity constraints. Security and integrity constraints can be regarded as a part of the conceptual schema. The conceptual DDL must include facilities for specifying such constraints, defining dump or restore schemas. Once a firm or a company is committed to a database system, it becomes critically dependent on the successful operation of that system, so it is necessary to define schema. In some case, the damage to any portion of the database caused by human error, say, or a failure in the hardware or operating system should be fixed. Monitoring performance of database. The DBA is responsible for organizing the system in such a way as to get the performance that is best for the enterprise and for making the appropriate adjustments, that is tuning as requirements change. For example, it might be necessary to reorganize the stored database from time to time to ensure that performance levels remain acceptable. DBA services, backup and recovery, reports, monitoring and administration, monitoring, database planning, service plans,